Hello everyone. So in this class we are going to discuss some of the questions on the topic logarithm. This is for PGCET MCA preparation. So these questions was asked in PGCET 2020. So let us see the first question. If log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base 4 plus log x to the base 16 is equals to 21 by 4, then the value of x is, options are 8, 4, 2 and 16. So this is the 1 mark question asked in PGCET 2020. So before solving the problem, let us see some of the properties of logarithm. So we know that 100, can write 100 is equals to 10 square. So in terms of log, what we can write? Log 100 to the base 10 is equals to, we can write 2. So if 100 is equals to 10 square, then log of 100 to the base 10 is equals to how much? 2. Similarly, we can write 16 is equals to, we can write it as 2 power 4. So in terms of log, what we can write? Log 16 to the base 2 is equals to 4. In general, if we can write any number, a is equals to b power c, then what we can write in terms of log, log a to the base b, we can write it as c. Okay, so this is the use of logarithm. If any number we can express in the form a is equals to b power c, then log a to the base b is equals to how much? That is c. And some of the properties of log we are going to use in this problem. So the properties are, first one, if log a plus log b can be written as log a into b. So if log a plus log b, we can write it as log a into b. One thing you have to remember is both should be of the same base. Whatever the base is for log a, same base should be there for log b. Again, here also we should use the same base. Another property is log a minus log b. We can write it as log a by b. Here also base should be same throughout the equation. So here also same base should be same. One more property is log a power b. Log a power b, we can write it as b log a. Log a power b is equals to b log a. Again, log a to the base b power c. Log a to the base b power c, we can write it as 1 by c log a to the base b. So these are the properties you should remember. So first one is log a plus log b is equals to log a into b. Second one, log a minus log b is equals to log a by b. Log a power b can be written as b into log a. Log a to the base b power c, we can write it as 1 by c log a to the base b. So if you want, you can verify this one by taking suitable values. So now let us see how to solve the given problem by using these properties. Now let us solve the given problem. So we can solve this problem by using two methods. One, by using the given properties. Another method is by just substituting the given values, and we can eliminate the incorrect options. So first let us see how to solve the given problem by using properties of logarithm. So see here the given problem, we can see that base is different. So here base is 2, 4 and 16. So first we will convert everything into the same base. So I will write the given problem like this: log x to the base 2 plus log x to the base. So I will convert this into the base 2, 4. I can write 4 as 2 square. Again, here also I will convert it into the base 2 by using property log x. Here 16 means I can write it as 2 power 4. So that is equals to how much? 21 by 4. So next we have seen one property. So that is log a to the base b power c can be written as 1 by c into log a to the base b. So this can be written as log x to the base 2 plus, if we use this property, so what I can write? 1 by c. Here c value is 2. So I can write 1 by 2 log x to the base 2. Here also I will use the same property. So in this case what happens? C value becomes 4. So I can write it as 1 by 4 log x to the base 2. So that is equals to 21 by 4. So now I will use one more property, that is log a power b. We can write it as b into log e. Or if you consider b into log a, I can write it as log a power b. So what we are going to get here? Log x to the base 2 plus c. b log a, I can write it as log a power b. So I can write it as log x to the base 2 power how much? 1 by 2. Plus here also I will use this property. So what I can write? Log x to the base 2 power how much? 1 by 4. So that is equals to 21 by 4. So in the next step I will use another property, that is log a plus log b. We can write it as log a into b. If we have log a plus log b plus log c, what we can write? We can write it as log a into b into c. So repeated use of same formula. So here by using that property, what I can write? See, we have same base here, okay? So we can use the formula, but here what we have? Base is different, so we cannot use the formula directly. So therefore what we are getting? Log x into x to the power 1 by 2 into x to the power 1 by 4 to the base 2 is equals to 21 by 4. So log, if you simplify this one, x into x power half into x power 1 by 4. So what we are going to get? X power 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 4. So what we are going to get? That is x power 7 by 4 to the base 2 use the property x power a into x power b can be written as x power a plus b. So that is equals to how much? 21 by 4. So from the definition of logarithm, what we have seen, suppose a is equals to, we can write b power c, then what happens? Log a to the base b becomes c. So see here, it is of the form log a to the base b is equals to c. So what we can write? We can write a is equals to b power c. So from this one, I can write x power 7 by 4, that is a is equals to b. Base is how much? 2. So 2 power c. C value is 21 by 4. So 2 power 21 by 4. But we need the value of x. So I have to make the power of x as 1. So I will take to the power 4 by 7 on both sides. So x power 7 by 4 whole power 4 by 7 is equals to, here also already we have 2 power 21 by 4 whole power 4 by 7. So here 7, 7, 4 will get cancelled, that is x is equals to, here 4 will get cancelled, 7 ones are 7 3s are. So 2 cube. So x is equals to 2 cube. 2 cube value is 8. So the correct option is first option, that is 8. So that is the one method we have seen. So in the exam, if you want to save the time, so you can go for another method, that is directly elimination method. So here, see, RHS we have 21 by 4. So the value of 21 by 4 means approximately we will get around 5. Okay, 4 5s are 20. So the value is around 5. So we have to find the value of x. So x value may be one of these 4 options, either 8, 4, 2, 16. So we will substitute one by one values. If you get the value around 5 means we can consider that value as the right option. Otherwise we can eliminate that option. Suppose if I take x value as 16. So what we are going to get here? The same equation, LHS becomes how much? Log 16 to the base 2 plus log 16 to the base 4 plus log 16 to the base 16. So that is equals to, see here by this definition of logarithm. So what we can say here, log 16 to the base 2. What we can write? We know that 16 can be written as 2 power 4. So log 16 to the base 2 value becomes how much? So this value becomes 4 plus log 16 to the base 4. So 16 we can write it as 4 square. 16 can be written as 4 square. So log 16 to the base 4 becomes how much? 2. Again log 16 to the base 16. 16 can be written as 16 power 1. So log 16 to the base 16 is 1. So the value is how much we are getting? That is 7. But we should get the value around 5. So we can eliminate this option. If you consider the value of x is equals to 2. Again if you substitute log 2 to the base 2 plus log 2 to the base 4 plus log 2 to the base 16. So that is equals to log 2 to the base 2. In general, log a to the base a will be 1 because what we can write, a can be written as a power 1. So this value becomes 1 plus log 2 to the base 4. So 2 is equals to, we have to write in terms of powers of 4, that is 4 power something. So usually what happens, 2 is less than 4, so this power should be less than 1. So log 2 to the base 4 will be what? The value is less than 1. Similarly, 2 is equals to 16 power something. Here also what happens, 2 is less than 16. So this value becomes what? The value will be less than 1. So 1 plus 2 quantities which are less than 1. So again we will not get the sum as around 5. So we can eliminate this option also. If you consider x is equals to 4, so what we are going to get? Log 4 to the base 2 plus log 4 to the base 4 plus log 4 to the base 16. So that is equals to log 4 to the base 2. 4 can be written as 2 square. So what happens? Log 4 to the base 2 value becomes 2. Again, log 4 to the base 4 is 1. As I told, log a to the base a is 1 plus log 4 to the base 16. Here also what we can write? I have to write 4 is equals to 16 power something. As 4 is less than 16, this power should be less than 1. So what I can write? So this value becomes less than 1. So 2 plus 1, 3 plus some quantity which is less than 1. So we will not get the sum as 5 point something. So we can eliminate this option also. So if these options are incorrect means one option should be correct. So we can take 8 as the answer. So this is the another method. So these type of problems you can take the value, if possible you can eliminate the incorrect options and you can choose the right option. So next question, if log y to the base 3 is equals to x and log z to the base 2 is equals to x, then 72 power x is equals to, so this is the 1 mark question asked in PGCET 2020. So options are given. So first option is y square z cube, second option y cube z square, third option y square z square, fourth option y into z. So let us see how to solve this problem. So we have seen at the beginning of this class, that is log a to the base b is equals to c. Then what we can write? We can write a is equals to b power c. So they have given log y to the base 3 is equals to x. So if we use this definition, what we can write? We can write y is equals to 3 power x. Similarly, here what we can write? We can write z is equals to, we can write it as 2 power x. So they have asked 72 power x is equals to, so consider the value 72 power x. So we have to express this value in terms of y and z. But y means what? It is in terms of powers of 3. Similarly, z means it is in the powers of 2. So we are converting this 72 in powers of 3 and 2. So we know that 72 can be written as 8 into 9 whole power x. So that is equals to, again we are converting in powers of 2 and 3. So 8 means I can write it as 2 cube. 9 can be written as 3 square power x. So that is same as 2 cube power x into 3 square power x. Or what I can write? I can write it as 2 power x whole cube into 3 power x whole square. So 2 power x means what? That is nothing but z. So in place of 2 power x, I can write z. So that is z cube into 3 power x, that is y. So y square. So the answer is z cube y square. So z cube y square. So the right option is first one. Next question. The value of 1 by log 64 to the base 2 plus 1 by log 64 to the base 8 plus 1 by log 64 to the base 4 is, options are 1, 14, 64, 0. So this question was asked for 1 mark in PGCET 2020. So very simple problem. So at the beginning we have seen, suppose if a is equals to, we can write b power c, then log a to the base b, log a to the base b is equals to how much? C. So we can use this definition to find the value of this logarithm. See here, log 64 to the base 2 value we have to find out. We can write 64, what we can write? 64 can be written as powers of 2, base is 2 here, we can write 2 power 6, 2 power 6 is 64. So log 64 to the base 2 value becomes how much? 6. So 1 by this value, how much? That is 1 by 6 plus here log 64 to the base 8. What we can write here? We can write 64 can be written as, we should write in the powers of 8. So we can write it as 8 square. So log 64 to the base 8 becomes 2. So this value becomes how much? 1 divided by 2 plus again 64 we have to write in the powers of 4. We know that 4 cube is 64. So log 64 to the base 4 becomes how much? 3. So if you simplify this value, we will get the correct option. So 6 is the LCM, 1 plus 3 plus 2. So that is 6 divided by 6. So that is 1. So right option is option A with the answer 1. So next question. The value of 3 log 81 by 80 plus 5 log 52 by 24 plus 7 log 16 by 15 is, options are 1, 0, log 2 and log 3. So for this question they have given the grace mark in the last PGCET 2020. So this question was asked for 2 marks. So because, so it should be like this, okay, 5 log 25 by 24, okay, then you will get the correct answer. Since the question was wrong, you will not get any one of the options. So they have given the grace mark. So let us correct the question and let us solve this problem. So that is equals to, see here, as I told, by the properties of logarithm, log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. So I will write this one, 3 log 81 minus 3 log 80. So log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Since this is multiplied by 3, we can write like this. Similarly, what we can write, log a by b means log a minus log b. Since we have 5, so what we can write, log 25 minus 5 log 24 plus, here again if you use the property, we can write 7 log 16 minus 7 log 15. This is the property we have used. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. So that is equals to 3 log 81. 81 means, so 3 power 4, we know the value is 81. Similarly, 3 log 80. 80 can be written as 16 5s are 80. So 16 I will write as 2 power 4 into 5 plus 5 log 25. 25 can be written as 5 square minus 5 log 24. 8 3s are 24. So 8 can be written as 2 cube into 3 plus 7 log 16. Again 16 can be written as 2 power 4 minus 7 log 15. We know that 3 5s are 15. So we are converting here in terms of 3, 2 and 5, because if you see the options, what we have, log 2, log 3, so we are converting in terms of log 2 or log 3, but sometimes we have to convert in terms of log 5 also, because there is no other option. So again, by using the property, so log a power b, log a power b means we can write it as b into log a. We have seen in the previous problem. So log 3 power 4, what I can write, b into log a, that is 4 into log 3. So already we have 3 4s are 12. 12 log 3 minus, here log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. Again using the property, log a power b means b log a. So what we can write, 3 4s are 12, that is minus 12 log 2 minus 3 log 5. Again by using the property, log 5 square can be written as 2 into log 5. Again since we have 5, 5 2s are 10. 10 log 5. Here we have to use again those two properties. Log a into b can be written as log a plus log b. Again log a power b can be written as b log a. Since we have minus here, 5 3s are 15 log 2 minus 5 log plus, here log 2 power 4, we can write it as 4 into log 2. 7 4s are 28. 28 log 2. Again use log a into b means log a plus log b, but we have minus 7. So what we can write, minus 7 log 3 minus 7 log 5. Now simplify this one. So if you consider the terms containing log 3, so what we have, 12 log 3 minus 5 log 3. So that is 7 log 3 minus 7 log 3. So these terms will get cancelled. If you consider terms containing log 5, so what we have, minus 3 log 5, here minus 7 log 5, so that is minus 10 log 5. Here what we have, plus 10 log 5. Again these log 5 terms also get cancelled. If you consider remaining terms, that is log 2, minus 12 log 2 minus 15 log 2, that is minus 27 log 2 plus 28 log 2 means we will get log 2. So the right option is log 2. But we have corrected the given problem. Again, we have used some of the properties here. What are the properties? That is, first, log a by b. Log a by b can be written as log a minus log b. Second one, log a into b. Log a into b is log a plus log b. Third one, log a power b is equals to b into log e. So this is 2 mark questions, very easy question. You can solve this type of questions. So thank you.